everybody, welcome to Gluten Free for All TV. Today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free sausage danishes. These are really easy to make and only use 4 simple ingredients. First off, get your hands on some gluten-free sausages, some good quality ones. For this recipe, you'll need between 4 and 6 sausages. You simply want to remove the meat from the sausage case and place it in a bowl. With a fork or your fingers, just break up the meat so you get some nice mince. The next ingredient you'll need is some gluten-free puff pastry. I'm using Genius. The secret to puff pastry is actually how it's made. Unlike regular pastry, puff pastry is made with layers of dough separated by a fat like butter or lard. If you look closely, you can see the layers. But when cooked, the fat melts away and the pastry rises, leaving a nice puff texture. For this reason, when rolling out the pastry, you don't overwork the dough and roll in the same direction, only turning once. Read the pack instructions as this will keep you straight. So lightly flour your countertop with some gluten-free flour and roll the dough out as per the instructions on the package. Roll out the puff pastry to about 30 by 20 centimeters or 12 by 8 inches. You should be left with a rectangle with the long end facing towards you. Next, beat 1 egg and get your pastry brush ready. Begin by layering the sausage across the pastry, making sure it's distributed evenly. Once this is done, sprinkle between 1 to 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds across the top. This is going to add some great depth of flavor to this Danish. It's going to be delicious. Finally, brush the egg mixture around the edges. This will help our Danish stick together and turn the roll golden brown. Great, now we're ready to roll. Make sure the dough is not stuck to the countertop by sliding a pastry knife along the bottom. Now take one of the short edges and tightly roll the dough and sausage towards the center of the rectangle. Continue brushing with the egg mixture until you hit the center point. Then, repeat the process on the other side until both rolls meet in the middle. Now, simply transfer the roll to a cutting board so we can start slicing the individual rolls and save your countertop. Give it one more brush with the egg wash and with a sharp knife, cut approximately 1 centimeter or about a ½ inch slices, being careful not to squish the pastry. A really sharp knife or slow and steady slices will make all the difference here. This is looking pretty good. Transfer to a non-stick baking sheet or one lined with parchment paper and repeat the process until done. Give it a final egg wash and pop it in the oven. Bake these for about 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until golden brown. While those are cooking, I'm going to show you how to make a great homemade applesauce. Simply combine 1 cup of peeled chopped apples with 1 cup of liquid. You can either use water or apple juice. Depending on how tart or sweet you like your applesauce, just adjust the flavor with a little bit of sugar or lemon juice. Let the mixture cook down for about 20 minutes. When it's looking nice and thick, and like proper applesauce, add a pinch of cardamom seeds for some extra flavor. Voila! There you have it, homemade applesauce. When our gluten-free sausage rolls are done, remove from the oven and drain off any excess fat. Serve hot with a big bowl of applesauce for dipping. Yum! These are so easy to make and I guarantee your guests are going to love them. So if you liked that video and you want to see more, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.